Hello, how are you? Today I bring you another recipe for vegetable milk, especially for those who seek alternatives to cow's milk due to lactose intolerance, milk protein allergy, or because they are vegan and want more options on a daily basis. I am sure you will love this recipe, because besides being a rich source of calcium, the taste is delicious. Stay until the end, because I'm sure you won't want to miss it. If you like easy, quick, and healthy recipes, you will love the channel. Enjoy and subscribe. Remember to activate the little bell to receive notifications. I have new videos every week and you will love them. Also, it is very important to share this knowledge with your friends and family, because when it comes to health, sharing information is fundamental to promote prevention and take care of everyone's well-being. After watching the video, leave a comment below about which milk you consume that is good for you. Or do you not consume cow's milk? I will be very happy to read your comment. Also tell me which part of the United States or the world you are from. Let's go! To start preparing this excellent vegetable milk, remember to check the ingredients with the nutritional information in the description below. Although this is not sesame milk, I will use it in the recipe because sesame is one of the most calcium-rich foods among the non-dairy options. If you'd like me to tell you more about the benefits of sesame, post in the comments. Continuing with the recipe, to soften the flavor of the seeds a bit, even though the sesame is delicious, and make the milk creamier and naturally sweet, we will hydrate it in hot water. The exact proportion is in the description. Remember that sesame is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which is wonderful for our health. Wait for the sesame to cool down a little so that it softens. After a few minutes, the sesame will be hydrated, and this will help improve the texture of the milk, making it easier to mix and more homogeneous. Place the hydrated sesame in a glass or blender, along with the same water left over from the hydration. It's okay to use the remaining sesame water in the container. It can be white or black sesame, as it doesn't make much difference. When we hydrate the seeds, they get stickier, which is normal for making our milk. Now I will add the sweet potato, which is very common in the East, especially in Korea, where they love sweet potatoes and use them on several occasions throughout the day. This is because sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, and they are very satiating and have a lot of fiber. In Korea, they mix this milk with various foods and it is a daily habit. Many Oriental people are lactose intolerant due to genetic reasons, so they look for alternatives to cow's milk. This recipe comes from Korean tradition. I'll add the already cooked sweet potato, and to bring out the flavor a bit, I'll add some vanilla. The vanilla is optional and can be omitted if you want to use the milk for savory preparations. Add the water to mix well. This milk ends up having a naturally sweet flavor, similar to cow's milk, so if you want to use it in savory preparations, just remove the vanilla. If it is to be used in sweet dishes, the vanilla provides a special aroma and a delicious flavor. You can also add cinnamon or other spices, such as fennel. Let me know in the comments if you often flavor your vegetable milks. Whisk the mixture well until it reaches the desired consistency. Ideally, you should not strain it to retain the health-giving fibers from the sesame and sweet potato. The consistency is similar to coconut milk, creamy. If you prefer a more liquid texture, add more water. If you want it creamier, like a vitamin, add less water. This proportion I presented is a suggestion, and you can use it as a reference at home. Tell me how you intend to use this delight in your daily life. You can use the milk to prepare chocolate powder, cocoa powder, as a base for vitamins, and other foods. I would like to know how you intend to use this milk in your daily life. I would be very happy to read your comment. This milk can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. If you are wondering how to store it, just cover it well and use it quietly during this period. If you want to reduce the amount, just keep the same proportions and everything will work out fine. Remember to like the video, because by sharing it, you are also helping those who need healthy dairy-free ideas. Many people are allergic or have dietary restrictions, and it is important that we share to help them. This is the goal of my channel. Now I will try the taste of this milk. I like it because it is creamy and does not have that seed flavor. Sesame milk, like other seed milks, has a slightly stronger, earthy flavor. However, with the addition of the sweet potato, it is balanced and very tasty. It is a great option for children and even for older people, who have a more resistant palate. I am sure you will love it. Try it and let me know what you think. Did you like the video? I hope this milk drink or milkshake recipe was helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the little bell to receive notifications, comment on your questions and suggestions, and share with your friends and family. I recommend checking out the 2 relevant suggestions that appear for you. Remember to subscribe. Until the next video. Thank you very much.